And so it comes to finalising the shape of the body. And the last video you saw me put the two pieces, the top and the bottom pieces, to make the body blank, and then I had the decision to completely cover it with the hardwood palette that I planed up. Now I wasn't going to do that, I was going to do it showing the neck as well, but as soon as I saw how pretty sexy this stuff looked, wow, decision made. I'm having all of that. But as you can see, I need to cut out the overlaps. So that's what I'm going to get on with now. Then after that, well, we'll look about doing something else, won't we?
So I thought, oh, maybe he could have done it. Because it just... Headlights were going across there, yeah. You can't see a vehicle. Or you...
Well, I've roughly routed out the edges. I mean, obviously, look, there's mountains of cleaning up to be done. I can't router up from here onwards because if the router hits the neck, so I'll have to do that by hand. Same goes for here. Bam. So I'll do that bit by hand. I had a piece chip out here, so I'm going to have to glue a small piece, and I'll do that by hand because I don't want any more chip there. And I had a big chip right there. But luckily I've still got the piece, so I'll glue it in and sort it out later. But that's the rough body work, and when I put the finishing on this, there's going to be some lovely contrasting stuff going on along these edges. I mean, look. Once I stick the finish on this, I'm not sure what finish I'm going to do yet. But whatever it is, I'm going to be chuffed, I reckon. Well. That's the basic shape sanded off and sorted out. Got the body reveals in as well. You see that there? Yum, yum, yum. Fit it round your tum. Now this finish on here is not the final finish. This is, as you saw, epoxy resin with sawdust. Sawdust mixed in with it, just to fill a few gaps. Then I noticed it was colouring the wood quite nicely, so I just covered it with one little coat. You can see nicely on the contrast of the edges there, but that's not the final finish. I got some tear outs here, which I've sorted out with the same epoxy resin mix. Also there as well, that's to be covered. Also I had tear out here, which I filled in, as you saw. So yeah, that's not the final finish, but it's very almost there. So what's next? What's next? Fitting the bridge, fitting the tuning pegs, fitting the end nut. That will then tell me where my pickups have to go, and that gets really important. So this step is completed. I'm pleased with how it's coming on. It's no longer a magic stick. It's now a fancy bit of stuff. But it's still, remember, babies, cots and pallet wood. Yep. This one's done. On with the next. Yada, yada, yada.